Hello, Jay here with your weekly weather update with me, Jay. Jay, that's right. I was going to do it with Sean, but he got busy again. But he'll be back next week. Fingers crossed, I missed him. Anyway, look at the weather. It's a bit cloudy right behind me, but I tell you what I'll do is I'll get the drone, I'll throw it up and we'll have a quick drone shot before I go and do the weekly weather. Okay, good. Let's see if I can do it this. Miguel, we have to edit this bit. Woo! Has it worked? Oh, okay. I'll try again. Hold on. And woo! Thanks, Jay. That was a nice drone shot, wasn't it? My garden looks very nice right now. Right, let's look at the weather for this week. So we're going to start with our windy. So it's windy.com. This shows us the wind direction. And remember, blue is good. Green is a little bit windy, yellow is really windy, and if you do see any purple, that's awesome. Right, so this is Sunday today, the 20th, and as you can see, it's pretty nice today. Not much wind. The wind's coming from a very strange direction. It's coming directly from the south, which is a bit odd, but that's because we're in the change of seasons month at the moment. So we're about to get into our rainy season, low season, green season, whatever you want to call it. And so the wind is kind of swirling around from different directions each day. So at the moment, it's coming from, as I'm recording this, from the south, which is very strange, but that's okay. If we look at Sunday afternoon, as you can see, it's starting to change now from the southwest, and this is a normal kind of way that the wind's going to come from the low season. The wind generally comes in from the west, and that's why you find on the west coast beaches, it gets quite rough out there, and also there's a lot of rubbish that washes up because there's disgusting people in the world that throw their rubbish out at sea, and it all comes in during the low season and lands on our beaches, and we do lots of beach cleans, and we'll be doing one very soon. We'll talk about that a bit later. Right, let's look at the week. On Monday, I know what's happened here. It's gone grey. We've gone back in time. Why has Monday gone grey? There we go. Let's try that again. Monday morning. There we go. Monday morning looks really, really good. Monday the 21st. Winds coming from the east that day, which is very strange. Let's look at Monday afternoon. Monday afternoon looks lovely. Nice and purple. There's a bit of purple coming. Purple's good, remember. Now let's look at Tuesday. Tuesday a little bit greeny in the morning, but nothing too much to worry about. Let's look at Tuesday afternoon. Yeah, once again, it looks lovely Tuesday afternoon. Let's look at Wednesday. Wednesday looks awesome. Wednesday morning it looks lovely. Wednesday afternoon, yeah, nothing to worry about. Look at this big patch of purple here, which is lovely, and all over Phuket. This is Phuket right here. Phang Nga Bay is here, obviously, and Phi Phi's down here. Similar Islands is up here, but let's not worry about Similar Islands. Trust me, it's not the right time to go to Similar Islands at the moment. And anyway, it closes soon, May 15th. Write that one down, May 15th, Cinnamon Islands is closing. That's right, for 6 months. Right, let's get Thursday the 24th. Woohoo! Wowzers! Nice bit of purple all over Phuket and in Phang Nga Bay. It's a nice day to go out. Thursday afternoon, yeah, not too bad. The wind's now coming from, northwest, which is kind of normal. As I said, it always comes in from the west this time of year. It's starting to turn around. Let's look at Friday. Oh, that's Thursday afternoon. Friday, it's looking very nice too. Friday, not much wind at all. Friday afternoon, wowzers. Bit of purple. Here's Coconut Island here. I might go to, I've got to do a video on Coconut Island. Maybe I should go that day. Big bit of purple just over Coconut Island, which is nice. And then Saturday the 26th. Wow, that looks good too. Not much wind at the moment for this week, which is strange because it's quite windy today. Interesting. Not really sure what's going on. That's a change of seasons for you. You can never be too sure. Right, let's look at cute weather. So this is your bog standard weather forecast. As you see, it's really hard to see on the camera because I know it's quite small. 32 degrees today. There is a chance of rain in the morning, and it did rain a little bit this morning, but that's now gone away. There's a lot of cloud cover, but not much rain, which is nice. Monday 33, passing shower again. This time of year, you're always going to get this. It's always going to say there's a chance of rain, maybe a thunderstorm. It's the tropics. It happens. Tuesday 33 degrees, Wednesday 33 degrees. It does say here the percentage of rain. Now, I say this every week. The percentage of rain doesn't mean it's going to rain. This is one on Wednesday, 91%. It doesn't mean it's going to rain for 91% of the time across the whole of Phuket. It means there's a 91% chance it might rain somewhere in Phuket. Could be Patong, could be Racha, could be Phuket town. Who knows? Thursday 33, Friday 33, Saturday 33. It's hot and it's very humid at the moment, and that's why we like the rain and the thunderstorms coming in. It takes the humidity away. And finally, let's look at this one. This is currently right now, so it means absolutely nothing to you if you're watching this. This is our TMD radar, so it's live. It's really small, and it's pointless you looking at this because it's happening right now, this minute. So there you go. That's your weather forecast for this week here in Phuket. It is raining a little bit, and we'll keep you updated. If you go to our YouTube channel, we do daily shorts. We'll do actually every other daily shorts on the weather, so you can see exactly what the weather's doing that day. And that's the best way to keep up, because it does change very quick. Sorry about this. So it does change very, very quickly. Let's go back to windy on a Sunday. All right, got it, good. You got any questions, please comment below. If not, have a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye.